Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing this makeup look that I have on right now. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys. I hope you enjoy, and if you want to know how I came up with this look, then just keep watching. So I went ahead and did one eye off camera, and I'm gonna do my next eye. For this eye look, I'm only gonna be using one eyeshadow palette, and it's the Jaclyn Hill palette. First shade is this Silk Cream. With my Morphe E28 brush, I will be placing this on my crease for my transition shade. Next shade, I will be using Jada with my Morphe M518. Before we start applying the shadow, I'm gonna add some translucent powder underneath my eye, just because the shadows do have a bit of fallout, so I don't want it to ruin my foundation. I'm just patting it on first on my outer corner of the eye, and then I will be dragging it into my crease all the way to my inner corner and outer corner of the eye. You guys excuse my mocos, I am sick. I don't know if you guys can tell by my voice, but I just got sick the other day, and I think it's getting worse because I cannot stop sneezing and my throat hurts. I was indecisive of filming today because my eyes just won't stop watering, and I know it's gonna ruin my makeup, but as long as I do this fast, I should be okay. With Morphe R40, I will be blending it out. To cut the crease, you guys already know, some concealer and a flat brush. If you guys seen not my last video, but my other video, I did show you guys how I cut my crease. Now, using BH Cosmetics 130 brush, I'm going to be mixing light and this one, and it's called Beam. And I'm just going to be placing this on my inner corner of the eye. I'm not going to cover my entire concealer with this shade just because we're going to add another shadow in the center of the eyelid. Taking Morphe M411, I'm going to take Pool Party. To make it a little more intense, I will be adding some setting spray to my brush, placing this on the center of my eyelid. Taking Inlight and Beam, I'm going to be trying to fade this out, or try to fade it in. I don't know, whatever. Going back in with Jada, I'm going to be applying it more on my outer corner of the eye. Now I think it's safe to wipe your translucent powder off. I don't know if you guys can spot some glitter on my face. I remember I did a look with glitter. I don't remember what one I did, but that freaking glitter still follows me around everywhere. I cleaned this area once I was done using glitter, and it's still with glitter. I don't know where it comes from, but any look I do, there's glitter on my face. How? I don't know, but it just appears. It follows me. It likes me. What can I say? Next is winged liner. Going back into the palette, I'm taking Jada once again, and Jada will be the only shade I'm going to use on my lower lash line. And after this, I'm going to be adding some black liner, also some mascara. To highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, I'm taking Inlight and Beam again. To bronze up my face, I'm taking the Body Shop bronzer in Warm Glow. Blush, this is from Revlon in Oh Baby Pink. For highlight, it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in White Sand. Now for my fucking chapped ass lips, I'm gonna be taking this Wet n Wild in Willow. I'm gonna be applying this all over my lips. On top of this, I'm going to be adding an Almay lip gloss. So this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys on my next video.